Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Patrick in Mississippi on the Ranger RCI 99N2. Patrick, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune and alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. We are running the 100 watt slug. Amp off, or I'm sorry, amp on. 5 watts all the way down. 40 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. A good 100 watts in the corner. 250 watt slug and PEP. Hello. 250. And I'll roll it down here. Let me show you. From that same 4 or 5 watts. Hello. 250. We're sideband. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. Around 200 on sideband all the way down. 190. Hello. About 230 with it all the way up. All right there, Patrick. Mr. Patrick in Mississippi. We're going to get this down to you. Hey, check us out on the web. We've got a new phone number up as well. www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.